Today's transmission parts ID is the snap ring that holds the return spring retainer down into the low reverse, which holds the piston down into the bottom of the case of the TH350. It has an outside diameter of approximately 2.260. Has an inside diameter of approximately 2.189. Most of these have a thickness between 55 and 60 thousandths. Inside the outside diameter is typically a little over 90,000. Reference number is 6261041. Part number is 44893. Because we have over 1,000 repair videos now, I've made separate playlists. I'll link here at the end of the video for transmission parts ID and another separate playlist for transmission repair. Thank you for watching. I'm Victor Sane, and this is Tigger the Shop Cat, trying to build a library of knowledge to leave behind. If you want to help, please put comments below or visit the Saneauto.com. Subscribe button is right there. Then you hit the bell. It will appear down here. And you hit all. To see links in the description of the video, look below the video. You'll see more. And then the description pops up. Make the description go away after you scroll through and found the links that you want. The X to hit like. This site contains affiliate links for which I may be compensated.